You are the type of person that really stands out in a crowd. So how do you make an office as awesome as you are? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking about creating an office that really stands out. The best way to start this process is to create a theme for your space. It doesn't matter what that theme is, as long as you have a theme to follow, your end result will be a cohesive design, no matter how wild and crazy you get within those parameters. After you've created a theme, let yourself be creative. Go all in on letting your weird shine. Buy art that reflects who you are. Use multiple colors that really bring the space to life. And think about how those colors interact with one another and what will go good together. Color creates a lot of dynamics in the space, and you're bringing in color in art, in possibly furnishings, in your wall paintings. By mixing multiple colors together, it really sets the palette for an office that stands out. It helps if you really think about your brand, your personality. What are the things that come to mind that really set you apart, and bringing that into your sense of style? And if that's something that you struggle with, that's what we're here to help you with. Book a call with me and let's have a chat about what it is that you struggle with in designing your office space, so that we can really turn it into a space that reflects you, not just the you that you are today, but the you that you are becoming and how you want to be seen in the world as the CEO of your business. What is the face of that looking like? Let me know in the comments what questions you have about designing a space for yourself. And while you're down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.